Hey guys, I might not be making as much videos for a pretty long while. Well, not too long, but you know, for some time, because I have a really bad cough, and you know, I don't want to be making videos because I don't want to get any sicker, and I don't want you guys to be like, ew, she's coughing. But yeah, I'm just not going to be making a lot of videos lately, so you guys can just keep replaying the older ones, and yeah. But thanks so much for watching my videos until I make a new one. So peace. Oh, by the way, I hope you enjoy my music videos. Thanks, sub, like, and comment, please.